The process in order to get to the modular design was lots and lots of discussion with those in industry, whether there were shearers, shearing contractors, wool handlers, as well as engineers and those sorts of things to really make sure that we created a design that was not only functional but also cared for animal welfare and the OHS of those that were working on the modules. The module design is a race delivery, different to a traditional pen delivery. So you'll see along the back there, there's a race that runs along with a dummy box here with one of our weathers in there so that the sheep runs straight towards the end of the modules. And there's also a footway on the other side, so your pen wrapper can walk up and down to push the sheep forward. The box in which the sheep sits, who's next to be shorn, actually drops down a little bit, hit the handle on the door, and the door comes open, and the sheep's delivered 2 or 3 steps into the right position to eliminate the catch and drag. Elimination of the catch and drag also helps with lessening shearer injury, because the catch and drag is where the majority of shearer injury happens. It's got a nice big wide board design to ensure that there's enough room for the sheep to be shorn on there, as well as making sure that there's enough room for the wool handlers to do what they need to do to prepare the wool properly. And then a big, nice open mouth chute on an angle, so that when Tom comes down that last side of that sheep's positioned exactly with his or her head heading down that chute, and they have nowhere else to go. So that eliminates the pushing as well, trying to get that sheep down the chute, because the sheep will naturally head that way. As I said, these are designed to be portable to go into new designs or existing designs. During the floods last year, we actually had a few farmers create makeshift sheds, I suppose, because they couldn't get their sheep to their own sheds with these module designs. So a few portable yards to create it, and we had 4 or 5 modules together. Again, you buy 1 module, you buy 5, you buy 10, it doesn't matter how big a setup you'd like to do. I also know that Chris is one of our 6 engineers that creates the module design. Being portable, you'll see there's 2 holes here at the front that you can pick up with your forks that go all the way through to the back as well. The arm in which the plant is sitting on, it all comes down, your dummy box comes off. So we'll watch here as Tom pulls this next sheep out.